Welcome students, welcome to the maths class for class 3. Now students, as we have started with the lesson that is subtraction. We have learned the different properties of subtraction as well as we have also learned how to subtract 4-digit number with regrouping and without regrouping. Now students, in the first chapter we have learned about how to estimate the numbers. That means how to round off numbers to nearest 10 and to nearest 100. So in this video, we are going to learn the new topic, that is estimating the difference. We are going to learn estimating the difference. Then what is estimating? Yes, in simple words we can say it is rounding off. It is rounding off. Now on page number 56, see the heading is given, estimating the difference. I will read out the sentence. To check quickly the difference, we round off the numbers and subtract them. To check quickly, to check it very quickly, we round off the numbers and then we subtract them. It can give us a rough estimate whether our answer is correct or not. Estimate. It gives us a rough idea whether our answer is right or wrong. So, let us start with estimating the difference. Again, we are going to estimate or we are going to round off the numbers first to nearest 10 and nearest 100. Okay. So, we will take the examples which are solved on page number 57. So, let us start with the first topic, that is nearest 10. In this, we are going to first round off the given numbers to nearest 10 and then we are going to subtract them. In this subtraction, we are going to find out estimated difference as well as actual difference. Actual difference will give you direct answer. That means we are not going to round off the numbers, we are going to directly subtract them and that will be our actual difference. But in estimated difference, it will be the answer of the rounded off numbers to nearest 10. So let us start. See the first example. Estimate 78. Estimate difference of 78 and 52. Okay, and to nearest 10. So what we have to do here first? First, we are going to round off 78 to nearest 10 and then we are going to round off 52 to nearest 10. So let us round off. How to round off 78? I told you that day only in the previous video that when we are rounding off to nearest 10, we are going to check the digit at ones place. Which is that digit at ones place? It is 8. Check whether 8 is in the first group or second group. Yes, it is in second group. If it is in second group, then what we have to do? We have to put a 0 at its place and add 1 to the previous digit or at the tens place. So if we add 1 to 7, it becomes 8. So this is the rounded off value of 78. Are you getting it? Do you remember that I made two groups? First group of 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And second group 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now if it is nearest 10, check the digit at ones place. Check whether it is in first or second group. Yes, it is in second group. Here it is 8. If it is in second group, then put 0 at its place and add 1 to the tens digit. Which is the tens digit? 7. If we add 1 to 7, it becomes 8. So it is 80. Understood? the remaining number as it is. So in this way we got the answer as 50. The rounded off value of 52 is 50. This is the first step. That means we have rounded off the numbers. Second step, difference. We are going to find out the difference. Difference means subtraction. Minus. Let us subtract 0 minus 0, 0. 8 minus 5, it is 3. So what is the difference? The difference is 30. So it was estimated difference. It is estimated difference. Estimated difference means after rounding off the numbers, whatever we are subtracting, it becomes estimated difference. Now actual difference. Actual difference means without rounding off. So let us subtract here 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2 is 6. 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5, 22. That is 26. And this is actual difference. This is actual difference. So actual difference is very nearer to the estimated difference. So in this way we are going to find out the estimated difference of two numbers by rounding off them to nearest tens. I hope you have understood this. So just keep in mind, if it is in nearest ten, check the digit at ones place and check whether they are in the first group or second group. Okay. Now this was nearest 10. So let us move to the nearest 100. Again the same example we will take, which is on page number 57. Estimate the difference of 892 and 720. Yes, it is nearest 100. The first number is 892. Let us round off this number to nearest 100. To nearest 100, what is the first step? Yes, in previous video we have also discussed that if it is nearest 100, check the digit at tens place. Check the digit at tens place. Nearest 100, check the digit at tens place. Which is that digit? It is 9. Now check whether 9 is in the first or second group. It is in second group. If it is in second group, put 0 and 0 at tens and ones place, and now as it is in second group, add 1 to the hundreds place. Add 1 to the hundreds place. That is, if we add 8 and 1, it becomes 9. So the rounded off number that we get after rounding off 892 to nearest 100, it is 900. Okay. Next, the number 720. Again, check the digit at tens place. Yes, it is 2, and 2 is in which group? It is in first group. If it is in first group, then put 0, 0 at tens and ones place, and the hundreds digit will be as it is. Finish. First step is over. Now let us move to the second step, that is difference. We have to find the difference. So minus 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 9 minus 7, it is 2. So what is the estimated difference? It is 200. Now the actual difference. Let us subtract these numbers. Minus 2 minus 0, 2. 9 minus 2, 7. 8 minus 7, 1. So this is the hope you have understood this. So let us move to the exercise number 3.9. See here, it is on page number 57. Now for both the questions of exercise 3.9, there is no place to solve in the textbook. So what we have to do? We have to solve it in the notebook. Yes. So you are going to solve it in the notebook. I will solve one example on the board. The rest you will solve in the notebook. And if you have any query, you can ask. Okay. Exercise number 3.9. First question. I will take the first one. Find the difference of 26 and 13 by estimating or rounding off the numbers to nearest tens. 26 minus 13. Okay, we have to round off to nearest 10. So write down the numbers. 26 round off to nearest 10. Nearest 10, check the digit at ones place. It is 6. So 6, if it is 6, which group it is? It belongs to second group. Second group, so put 0 at its place and add 1 to the tens digit. That is, it becomes 3. Okay. Now the second number, 30. Again, check the digit at ones place. It is 3. 3 is in which group? It is in first group. If it is in first group, write down 0 at its place and the tens digit as it is. It becomes 10. Now subtract. Yes. 0 minus 0, 0. 3 minus 1, it is 2. So what is the estimated difference? It is 20. Now if you want to find the actual difference, yes, it is mentioned that also find the actual difference. Minus this. Two numbers. 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3, 3. 2 minus 1, 1. So what is the actual difference? The actual difference is 13. And the estimated difference is 20. Yes. So in this way you have to solve this. Now the second question is estimate each difference to the nearest 100. So follow the same steps which we have done in the solved example. Check the digit at tens place and then round off the numbers. So in this way solve it in your notebook. Okay students, if you have any query, you can just ask or you can post a question in the WhatsApp on my personal WhatsApp number. Okay students, so practice properly, stay safe and stay healthy.